Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to enter same data in multiple cells in Microsoft Excel. Like and subscribe, support this channel. Let's get started. To enter the same data in a row, column or range, first you need to select these cells with the left mouse button. When the cells are selected, we enter the data, text or numbers, it doesn't matter. And in order for this entered data to appear in the selected cells, press the key combination Ctrl+Enter. It's that simple. But if we need the same data to appear not in neighboring cells, then in this case we need to actively use the Shift and Ctrl keys. For example, to select a row, column or range, hold down Shift during selection. If you need to select a single cell, then in this case we use Ctrl. If you need to select a row or range in another place, first hold down the Ctrl key and select one cell, and then continue the selection with the Shift key held down. And when all the necessary cells and range are selected, enter the data and press the Ctrl+Enter keys. Okay, everything is clear with this, but how do we enter the same data but on different sheets? To enter the same data on different sheets, these data sheets must be grouped. I have two worksheets now. I'll add another one for an example. Hold down the Ctrl key and select all or some worksheets with the left mouse button. And then we enter the data in the ways described above. And as you can see, all this data appeared in all the sheets at the same time. To deselect multiple sheets, click on any sheet that is not selected, or right-click on the selected sheets and click on Group Sheets. And if you already have data on one sheet and you want to control the data entries so as not to delete or spoil anything, then click the View tab and select the New Window button. And we have a second window of the same document, which we can verify by looking at the title of the document. The name of the documents are the same, but they only differ by 1 and 2 at the end. Since we have two windows, we can also play them on the same screen. For more information about this, watch this video. We click View side by side and we see the same document from both sides. Let's check the data entry on worksheet number 3. Select it on the second document. And now we group the sheets on the first one and enter the data. And they appear here on sheet number 3. Magic. To cancel the side-by-side view, you need to click this button again. That's all, now we know the more. Thanks for watching.